Hello everybody, this is Khashayar. I continue my mini series or mini tutorials, and this time we are going to write a guessing game. So the guessing game is like the computer generates a random number from 0 to 2, 20, 10 or 100, depends on how you want to design it, and we have to guess the number. If we guess the lower number, computer prompt some message like guess higher. If we guess a higher number, it will display something like guess lower, and when we guess the correct number, the game will finish. So it can be a little bit challenging for beginners, and actually this tutorial is for beginners. Anyway, the only module we need is random. But before that, let's first start with very small steps and just develop our program slowly. Let's say we have a variable player number. Okay, we just set it to something 10, and now let's get a print of it. Then print player number. Okay, and now we have 10. Alright, now we just print something else. We can say player number is and player number. Alright, now let's, instead of having a static number here, let's get player number from input. Alright, then here we can have player number equal int input, and the reason we are using int because we are getting a number that would be integer. If we just input use the input itself, we will have a string, but because we are going to compare the numbers, like the 2 is greater than 1 or 10 is like smaller than 11, then it should be integer. Then input, we can set some message here like enter your number. Okay, and now enter your number. We have, let's say, 30, and player number is 30. Okay, now it's slowly we are going to develop it more. Now we set another number. Let's call it computer number equal 20, for example, and print number here, and let's set some condition. If player number is greater than computer number, then print guess lower. Okay, now let's try it. The computer number is 20. Okay, then we can here enter 22. Player number is 22, then guess lower. Okay, let's set another condition. Elif player number smaller than computer number, then print guess higher. Okay, now let's try this one too. Enter your number 10, player number is 10, then guess higher. Okay, now else, actually we can also use another Elif statement, but if it's not higher than the computer number or lower than the computer number, then it should be the number itself, then it's matched. So here we just need to add else print something like Bravo, Okay, now let's try this one. Computer number was 20, I believe. Then let's say 20. Okay, bravo. Okay, now we don't want to execute the program every time we want to test one condition. Then for that we can use, for example, while loop, and with some sort of condition. Let me make it in two different ways. So while while the first one is normal while loop, while true, or no, let's make it like running equal true, and while running, then we get input from player. Okay, and we can check the conditions over and over. What is it? One more time. What was it? Player if interior number. Okay, let's say 10. Guess higher, interior number 30. Guess lower, interior number, it was 20. Bravo. Again, he asked for interior number, but we need to find a way to terminate the process when we are guessing the correct number. And there are a couple of ways. Typo. Break. Okay, let's say 20. Bravo, and break. But also we have another choice, because as you see up there, we set the running to true, and here we can just say, okay, you can write print bravo, and after running equal false, then we just remove the condition for that while loop. So here again, 10 high, guess higher, 30 guess lower, and 20 bravo and break. There are more ways. We can also, let's comment this out here, and also this part, and we can say while player number is not equal computer number, then do all these things. Then when we guess the correct number, this condition will be false automatically, and it will break the while loop. Alright, so here again, player number is not defined. Player number is not defined. Oh yeah, player number is not defined because, yeah, actually this is not going to work this way, because player number, another way we can have here player number equal none, maybe, or 0 for now, and now we should have our while loop up and running. Enter your number, let's say 25, lower 30, lower 10, higher, and 20, bravo. So all of these systems gonna work, but let's stick with our running equal false, the first method. And we don't have to declare, or actually we don't declare the integer or data type in Python, but we don't have to have that a variable for integer before our while loop. So here we have almost like player is not defined. Yeah, I forgot to remove this. Here should be while running. While running, do this stuff. So one more time, we try 10, guess higher, 30, guess lower, and 20, bravo. Then we need to make it like a random generator, use random module. So here we just import random, and computer will be random dot rand int, means just like generate what integer, and we can set it to from 0 to, let's say, 20. Okay, and now we have random number which we don't know what is it here, and when we run the code, enter your number, let's say 10, guess higher, okay, 15, guess higher again, 18, number is 18, bravo. Let's run it one more time. Enter your number, again 10, higher, 15, lower, alright, 12, higher than 13, bravo. So basically this is guessing game. Nothing so special, but you can see the workflow here, the logic of the game, and it can cover actually a couple of stuff, basic stuff, but important things in Python. So that would be it. You can develop it more further. For example, you can set extra condition, you can create a counter if you don't guess the correct number under the 5 times, for example, you lose a game. Or you can add some extra features like, alright, I guess it in 2 times and I have like 10 points more. You can just develop it how you want, but this would be the basic structure of guessing game. Alright, okay, thanks for watching, and I see you guys in next video.